Making money can be a challenging task, especially if you are just starting out. However, with a little bit of creativity, smart planning, and hard work, you can turn your financial goals into a reality. Whether you are looking to start a side hustle or grow your existing business, there are several tricks and tips that you can use to maximize your earnings. In this video, we will go over some of the most effective ways to make money and help you build a successful financial future. Utilize your skills and talents. One of the easiest ways to make money is to monetize your skills and talents. Whether you are a talented artist, musician, writer, or just have a knack for photography, you can sell your services online. Consider setting up a profile on websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, where you can offer your services to people all over the world. Start a blog or a YouTube channel. Blogging and creating videos for YouTube can be a great way to make money. Not only do you have the potential to earn income through advertising, but you can also use your platform to promote and sell your own products and services. To get started, choose a niche that you are passionate about, create quality content, and engage with your audience. Invest in real estate. Real estate investing can be a lucrative way to make money, especially if you know how to do it right. Consider investing in rental properties, flipping houses, or becoming a real estate agent. You can also invest in real estate through a real estate investment trust, REIT, or by participating in a real estate crowdfunding platform. Offer online courses or workshops. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can use it to create and sell online courses or workshops. This is a great way to share your knowledge with others and make money at the same time. You can use platforms such as Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy to create and sell your courses. Get paid for your opinion. Did you know that you can get paid for taking surveys or sharing your opinion? There are several websites, such as Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars, that pay users for participating in market research studies. In conclusion, these are just a few of the many ways to make money. Remember, success takes time and effort, but if you stay focused, you can turn your financial goals into a reality. Just be sure to do your research, stay organized, and stay motivated, and you will soon find yourself on your way to financial freedom.